In this video, come with us in Bali as we go to make some lovely silver jewellery with the local people there in the Alas Arum. So this was me and my daughter Jasmine. It cost us about £25 each. I'll leave all the details that you're going to need below, as well as a recommendation for an amazing driver. Oh, and the sounds. It feels very, really, you know when people say it's humid?
It's very humid, like you feel like it's wet in the air.
It is wet. Look at how wet our windows are. Literally. But we're going to go for a bit of breakfast, and today we're moving off. Tell them where we're moving off to.
Ubud.
Going to Ubud today.
Very exciting.
Jasmine caught a little bit of sun on her shoulders yesterday, didn't you?
Not just my shoulders.
Yeah, bless her. So it is excited for the day ahead. You'll have to excuse the no makeup look, but it just keeps sweating off. So sunglasses, I could do that, but then I can't see because they're really steamed up. For breakfast in the cashew tree, highly recommend that restaurant. Really, really nice. And then we're going off for our silversmithing jewellery making workshop today, which I am ridiculously excited about. I think it's going to be a really cute thing to do with Jasmine. So this little walk from our accommodation is to the restaurant is only literally like a 5-minute walk. So it's been really, really handy. Would recommend that restaurant, and it was pretty cheap. I mean, to get sort of a big meal like a teriyaki chicken, which is what was my favourite, with rice and vegetables, with 95,000, which is less than £5. They do gluten-free pancakes, so I'm here for that. Oh, there's some wind today. Didn't know that was a thing. Just such a vibe here. I've loved Uluwatu so much. As we walked into the cashew tree, we noticed that there was an amazing circuit training going on outside. Wow. So bad. So we've not really seen this street in daytime. Normally walk this at night time so far. So it's quite interesting to see the traffic. Woo! Make me jump. Oh. I think they just do that anyway, regardless. So you can hop on the back of these grab bikes, which is a really super cheap way of getting around. I'm not brave enough for that so far. I did see the dog, yeah. So walking back to our accommodation now. We're being picked up in about half an hour to leave to go to our jewellery making. How do you feel about leaving Uluwatu?
Sad.
A little bit sad. Yeah. Definitely could have done with some. Your hair looks really groovy and beachy.
It's big. Feels like I've got a lot of hair today.
That's the way to be in Uluwatu. Our driver's just a little bit held up in the traffic, so I'm just going to go see what we've got to do for checking out, and then we'll be on our way. So there's no one at reception, but I'm just going to show you this one last time. What a lovely room, isn't it? And this to wake up to every morning. Oh yes, please. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go find Bronzo. Yeah. So our amazing driver gave us some lovely information as we was driving on the way up to Ubud. It was so pretty to see, and there was festivals and all sorts of things going on. I will link his details below. He comes highly recommended. This is so busy, Bronzo. Is it always busy like this?
Always busy like this, every day.
Crazy. All the people going past.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the right point, and now you're leaving when it gets hard. Should've kept it straight from the jump. Why'd we come this far to get this far? I should leave it alone, cause there's no...
Yeah, it looks like it. Alas Arum. It's a big car park. Oh, very excited for this.
Keep on giving you grace while my heart's broken. You take the time away to clear your head out. I don't got nothing to say. How could you let me get away still?
So Jasmine's got her eyes on all the different gems. Incredible.
It's really cool as well.
Look at that. And then we've got to choose from all of these different rings. which is a big ask. Are you going to be able to choose just one?
No.
No. And then these are really lovely. I like these, pretty.
Also, we have more.
He's not too sure what to choose, are you?
So many nice ones. I like these.
Yeah.
And I like this one with the twist.
That's really, really cute. I've got a fair idea what I'm going for. You can do that?
Mix.
Something
This-
like that. Yeah, so
yeah.
a drawing.
This draw. This
Yeah.
texture.
Okay. So behind me there's somewhere you can sit and have food and drink, and I thought I saw a drone in the air there, but I'm not sure what it is. It's a very different vibe here right now. This is kind of what you expect when you come to Bali. You've got all the fields and things, and actually the last place was what we expected as well coming to Bali. There's a cockerel, there's some beautiful trees. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So I've just come for a little explore while Jazz is doing her choice of what she wants and what she doesn't want. It's so pretty. Go on then, Jazza. We decided to both stamp inside our rings Bali 2025, which was super cute. So we did that, and then the designs on the outside were somewhat different, but they helped us all the way. We didn't have to know what we was doing. It was such a cool experience. This is my design. I cannot draw. Cannot draw. No, rubbish. But yeah, it's good. You're going to help me. Yeah, palm tree and a wave. So once they'd sized the ring, it was then time to put it all together and make it into an actual ring rather than a block of silver. And it was so good. How are you doing? I got my new ring. Yeah, it's done. So I finished my ring and I'm really, really pleased with it. Jasmine's just finishing hers up now. Just gonna have a look at that.
That's labelled as Alas Arum as well. Maybe they're extending.
Oh,
That's house owner.
is it?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
the owner Alas Arum.
Oh my god. Look at all these chickens.
That's a cemetery in Bali, like this.
In Bali, you see a lot of this black and white gingham everywhere, and I was actually wearing black and white as well, so I asked what it meant, and it actually is showing the yin and yang between life, that there's always light and then there's always dark. Is this all because of the moon? Still?
Still. Because it's different area.
Thank you, Bronzo.
Thank you so much for today.
Thank you so much.
Then we arrived in our next hotel, which was absolutely so eclectic. You make sure you come back to see that one. To show you all of this place. Listen, I love it.